Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about short haircut ideas for older women. Short hair is very stylish, easy to manage and comfortable. Many women over 50 or 60 choose short hair because it saves time and looks neat every day. As we grow older, our hair texture can change. Hair may become thin, dry or grey. A good short haircut can make your hair look thicker. It can also make your face look fresh and bright. Let's look at some beautiful short haircut ideas. First is the pixie cut. The pixie cut is short, soft and very easy to manage. It gives a smart and confident look. You can keep it very short or leave a little longer hair on top for more volume. This haircut is perfect for women who want a simple and modern style. Second is the short bob haircut. The bob is a classic style that never goes out of fashion. It usually comes to the chin or just below the ears. This haircut frames the face nicely and gives a clean look. A layered bob can add movement and make thin hair look fuller. Third is the layered short haircut. Layers are very helpful for older women because they add volume. If you have natural curls, you can try a short curly haircut. Short curls look lively and beautiful. They give a fun and youthful look. Just use a little curl cream to keep them soft and defined. Another nice option is a short haircut with side bangs. Side bangs can make your face look softer. They can also help cover forehead lines and give a younger appearance. Keep the bangs light and natural for the best look. Short haircuts are also very practical. They are easy to wash and dry. You don't need much time to style them. This is perfect for busy women or anyone who wants a simple daily routine. Grey hair also looks amazing with short style. A short silver bob or pixie cut can look very classy and modern. Many women now proudly shows their natural grey hair and it looks beautiful. When choosing a short haircut, think about your face shape. If you have a round face, try a style with volume on top. If you have a long face, a chin length bob can balance your look. Always talk a good hairstylist before cutting your hair. Hair care is also important. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Trim your hair every few weeks to keep the shape fresh and neat. Remember, short hair does not mean boring. You can style it in different ways. You can change your parting and soft waves or use small hair accessories. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.